When you dream big, we touch the sky to fulfill it. When your ambition is high, we reach out to the stars to achieve it. When your mission is impossible, we make it possible in every way. We are NIET, Northern Institute of Engineering and Technical Campus, where success starts with a name. A world of infinite possibilities at NIET awaits your arrival to make you a dreamer, believer, performer, achiever. NIET is a premier institution fostering excellence in academics from the formative years right up to the professional expertise.
The management of NIET has the desire and ambition to develop this institute as one of the best in the country, and as a result of this, they have chosen me as the mentor of this college, and I have an experience exceeding 40 years in production, quality control, research and development and management.
Far away from the concrete jungles and maddening, NIET is located amidst the picture-perfect location of Alwar over an area of more than 20 acres, has lush green campus with lawns and playground properly planned and designed. NIET's lush green campus is located at Alwar in National Capital Region on Bhiwadi-Alwar State Highway. It is well connected by rail and road, just 2 hours drive from Dhaula Kuan in Delhi. Here nature rejuvenates the mind, body and soul of students and keep them active and alive all day through. NIET mission is to fulfill global requirement by providing quality education and training.
We here at NIET strive to develop professionals of high quality in engineering and management with mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and communication and computer sciences. Apart from MBA, BBA and diploma studies in engineering. Our motto is mentor and coach, not only to teach. To keep parents updated with the progress of their wards is very important. So we are maintaining ERP to fulfill this purpose. We have periodic meetings with faculty and staff members, and we take rapid action in solving deficiencies related to the institute. Our students for training are sent in reputed industries, and they are getting good opportunities in industries of national and international repute.
The courses at NIET have been designed and tailored as a better response to the constantly evolving technological and social needs of the country in 21st century, considering all aspects of growth and modernization. NIET is privileged to provide BTech in Civil, Computer Science, Electrical, Electronics and Communication, and Mechanical Engineering. Along with that, MBA and BBA professional courses. NIET has an intensive academic environment. It lays claim to the finest faculty in the region, the best labs, infrastructure and hostel, and promotes several extracurricular activities. The NIET lays stress on practical, industry-oriented teaching.
We are having a categorized plan for the student welfare, like personality development, extra co-curricular activities, and so many things. So I feel a great pleasure to say about this institution that we are looking for the overall development of the school.
Started its journey of excellence in the year 2011, NIET is affiliated to Rajasthan Technical University RTU, Kota, Rajasthan, BTR Jodhpur, and is approved by All India Council for Technical Education AICTE, New Delhi. These institutions offer world-class infrastructure, state-of-the-art amenities and fascinating features that include spacious classrooms and tutorial halls, well-equipped laboratories, well-stocked library, internet, bookshop, video conferencing, sports, cultural activities, separate hostel for boys and girls, cafeteria, advanced buses, and a host of other features that make you perfect and boost your confidence to start your intellectual journey.
Computer engineering is the study how to develop the computer systems and how to integrate the computer with the electronic device like the embedded system, for example smartphones and smart machines. We conduct very national and international level conference, seminar, technical events and guest faculty lectures for the student for their all-out technical as well as communication skills at the regular basis. For this, we have experienced and qualified faculties, Wi-Fi campus and research-oriented laboratories.
The institutions are a complete package of professionalism, which is based on unwavering principle, sound business ethics and honest morale.
Our motto is to give the best and the smart education to the NIT students so that they give the best to the corporate world.
I emphasize on teaching by learning so that a student can learn properly and can sort out the problems facing in industries.
Department. To meet with the current scenario and the industry prospectus, we also conduct workshop on VLSI for the electronic students.
Training and placement cell, we try to bridge the gap between the academia and the industry. We try to make students of different streams, BTech, management and diploma, ready to meet up and to face the challenges of the industry. We have had many placement drives of various companies like HCL Technologies, Google, Genpact, Tech Mahindra, NIIT, Religare, PNB MetLife and many more. We still have 2 more months to go for our placements and we have achieved more than 80% of placements of our students in both management and BTech, and I am sure we shall have still higher placement ratio for our 2015 batch and many more batches to come.
The training and placement cells at these institutions explore unlimited opportunities to its students when they step into the industry.
Hi, it's Himanshu. I am pursuing BTech from Mechanical Engineering in NIT College. I got selected in IMS, EQS and most of all in Google. And for that I am really thanks to my college and my faculty members.
I am pursuing MBA in HR Marketing. I got selected for Genpact, HCL and Bata Bazaar.
I am pursuing BTech in Mechanical AirSam. I got selected in Google, IMS and Policy Bazaar.
Besides arranging industrial visits and summer training of students in the industries, the cell also organizes seminars, workshops, and guest lectures by eminent academicians, administrators, management personnel, and successful entrepreneurs.
I am pursuing BTech finally and in Mechanical Engineering. I am got selected in Google, Viom India and EQS.
I am pursuing BTech in Civil Engineering and I got selected in EQS and Google.
They organize campus interview and place their student with leading names of India and abroad.
Hi, I am Shekhar Saini. I am pursuing BTech from NIT College Alwar. I am from Patna, Bihar. In our college, about the academics, sports and curriculum activities are organized in daily basis.
Hi, this is Seema. I am from Dhanbad. I am a student of BTech final year. We undergo various industrial visit here and guest lecture and motivational talk from experts from industries and IIT are arranged time to time. Thank you.
I am Mol Jain. I belong to Lucknow and I am pursuing BTech in electrical engineering from this college. And the learning from my course is very much because of the vast knowledge and the friendly nature of the faculties, and the time to time industrial visits give exposure to the technical knowledge outside the college.
Hi, I am Nidhi and I am from Delhi. I am an NITian. The hostel and lodging facilities are outstanding here and 24/7 security is there. I am proud of my decision to choose this college.
Hi, I am Vishal Sharma. I am from Gurgaon. I am a civil engineering student in this college and the college faculty is so experienced and the regular workshop and seminars are organized by the experienced faculty which lot helped me out, and the academic and sports PDP's lecture are helped me in the overall development, and I am proud to be an NITian.
The main objective of Women Empowerment Cell is to enhance the understanding of issues related to girl students and female faculties and make this campus safe for them. This cell facilitates the women empowerment through street plays, role plays, seminars, awareness programs and other welfare activities.
In order to promote innovation, creativity and knowledge enhancement, the R&D cell has been established in NIET. Through this R&D cell, the students, the faculty members and the whole society would be benefited in future in all aspects. The R&D cell will maintain a bridge between industry and the academia.
I'm Lizna Jose. I'm a student of NIT and I'm pursuing Masters of Business Administration in NIT in HR and Marketing. First of all, I would like to tell about NIT, the place where I am studying. NIT is really a very good college, one of the best infrastructure, and it has given me whatever I need in this college. Whatever training I need, whatever the soft skills which I need, everything I got from NIT. The training and placement, I got placed in 5 of the companies being in this campus, and I have been placed in IIT, IMS, EQS, Naukri.com and Genpact. And I'm very pleased that before I completed my MBA, I have been placed to my companies, and it's only because of NIT.
So, come to NIET and take your career to an all-time high and become dreamer, believer, performer, achiever.
We're proud to be NITian. Yeah!